Good morning to everybody. Myself P. Suresh, Assistant Professor in Maralaxman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management, Dundigal, Civil Department. Today topic is loss of precious concrete. Course objectives. The objective of the course are to understand the principle necessity of precious concrete structures. Different precious concrete designs are more M40, M50, M60 and know different techniques of pre-testing, get the knowledge and various laws of pre-test, understand analysis and design of pre-test, concrete of members. These are the core subjects. Course outcome. After the completion of the course, student will be able to understand principle of pre-testing, know the method and system of pre-testing, and evaluate laws of pre-testing. Analysis of section for flexure and shear, acquire the knowledge of evaluation of process of precessing, analysis of composite beam and deflections. There are so many beams are there, different types of beams. Loss of precious. The initial precessing concrete undergoes a gradual reduction with time from the stages of transfer due to various cases. Due to pre-stress and post-tensioning, pre-tensioning and post-tensioning, there are different of stages. The force which is used to stretch the wire to the required length must be able all. For example, take one rectangle beam. This is the neutral axis, NEA, cable, parabolic cable, tendons, jacking. The force which is used to stretch the wire to the required length must be available all the time. As precessing force, if the steel is to be prevented from concreting contraction of steel, wire occurs due to several cases affecting reduction in the precess. This reduction in the precessing force is called loss in precess. In precess concrete beam, the losses is due to the following. There are six follows losses. First one, anchorage zone. Anchorage slip. Second one, friction. Third one, creep. Fourth one, relaxation. Next, shrinkage of concrete and elastic deformation. These are the six. First one, elastic deformation of concrete. Second one, relaxation of stress in steel. Third one, shrinkage of concrete, creep of concrete, friction and anchorage. These are the six losses of precessed concrete in pre-tensioning. Next, loss due to elastic deformation of the concrete. First topic. These are the six losses. We are discussing first one. Elastic deformation of concrete. Elastic deformation FC equal to P by A plus P square by I. I equal to moment of inertia and A equal to cross section area, P equal to load, E equal to eccentricity. Eccentricity. This is the formula of elastic deformation of concrete. See the loss of pressure due to elastic deformation of concrete depends on the molar ratio and the average stress in concrete at the level of steel. If FC equal to precessing concrete at the level of steel, EC equal to modulus of elasticity of concrete, ES equal to modulus of elasticity of steel, alpha coefficient alpha equal to ES by EC. C. Fc equal to P by A plus P square by I. Alpha equal to Es by Ec. What is the meaning of Es? Es is modulus of elasticity of steel. Ec equal to modulus of elasticity of concrete. See one more example problem. Problem on elastic deformation of concrete. See the question. If a pre-tension concrete beam 100 mm wide and 300 mm depth is precessed by a straight wires carrying an initial force 150 kilonewton at an eccentricity of 50 mm, the modulus of elasticity of steel and concrete are 210 kilonewton per mm square and 35 kilonewton per mm square respectively. Estimate the percentage loss of pressures in steel due to elastic deformation of concrete if the area of steel wires are 188 mm square. See the given precessed concrete beam width and depth, rectangular section. Given rectangular section, B equal to 100 mm, depth D equal to 300 mm, and see the given that draw the rectangular diagram. Depth D equal to 300 mm. Okay, next B equal to 100 mm, depth D equal to 300 mm, eccentricity E equal to 50 mm. Next P equal to force P equal to 150 kilonewton transfer to newtons, 150 into 10 to the power of 3 newtons. Next find the area A equal to B into D, B equal to 100, D equal to 300, 3 into 10 to the power of 4 mm square units. Next find the moment of inertia I equal to BD cube by 12 equal to B equal to 100, and D equal to 300 cube by 12 units mm power 4. Moment of inertia units mm power 4. It is 225 into 10 to the power of 6 mm power 4 I equal to. Next area A equal to 3 into 10 to the power of mm square. Next initial stress in steel. Stress in steel, load by area. Load equal to load equal to 150 load equal to 150 into 188 area. into 10 to the power of 3. 800 Newton per mm square. Initial stress. Find the force Fc equal to P by A plus P square by I. P equal to 150 into 10 to the power of 3 by area 3 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 150 into 50 square into 10 to the power of 3 by I. Moment of inertia I equal to 225 into 10 to the power of 6. 225 into 10 to the power of 6. FC values 10 to the power of 3 square zeros. Newton per mm square. FC. And summation alpha equal to ES by EC. ES equal to 210 into 10 to the power of 3 by 35 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 3, 6 numbers. Next, loss of stress due to elastic deformation equal to alpha into FC. Alpha into FC. Alpha into FC. Alpha 6 into 6.6. 40 Newton per mm square. 40 Newton per mm square. Next, loss of stress. Loss of stress in steel equal to 40 by 800. 40 by 800 into 100. 5% loss. 5% loss. Thank you.